Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Polkadot also one of the cryptos that reached here the target area between the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level at 562 and the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level at 1065. So ideally in this area, in such a corrective wave 2, in which I think we are as per the Elliott wave method, where we made a wave 1 here back in April 21. Or even May 21, and then we came down in this ABC correction, all a corrective wave, and this is a wave 2. And usually you see assets coming into this area. So again, we've been talking about that for the last 6 months. The price was reached, and we came down further in this channel, moved down further, and finally is one of the last cryptos in the hood. We reached that target area. The other ones were a bit earlier, Polkadot a bit later, which is probably good because it helped it to stay a little bit higher, and it did hold very well for a longer period of time, and it has not even broken that lower support at 562. It hasn't even broken that 88.7% Fib level yet. Maybe it will, maybe not. We are currently here in a wave 4 in my opinion, so I don't know yet, and that is a bit uncertainty at the moment. What is certain in my opinion is that this here is a corrective wave. It is a wave 4. The thing is, the wave 4 could have been finished here at this triangle, A, B, C, D, E, an Elliott wave triangle, which then broke to the downside when that BD line was broken. So at this stage the triangle was technically complete, moved down here in an impulsive wave 1, moved up in a wave 2, and that's what I mean here at the moment. The question is, this wave 2, I guess it might not be finished yet, so this is what we're looking at here. That we are now, obviously after we probably already completed that wave 4, we're now moving here in a wave 5 to the downside. That would complete the overall correction, but this is also a 5-wave move. So what is possible is that, just try to adjust that here properly, that this wave 1 was complete, then we moved up in a corrective wave 2, which is correcting that impulsive move down in an A, B, C wave. That C wave could now obviously go a little bit higher actually. So I've got a resistance level here at $10.38. I think I mentioned it in the previous video. We obviously moved exactly to that. The thing is, it could now move actually a little bit higher because the wave C, the wave C would normally be at least the length of the wave A, which it did. It could now be complete, but ideally you want to have it a little bit longer. So I would expect a little bit, possibly a little bit move up first before we turn to the downside. Important is though that this does not go higher than here $11.20, the wave E high, because that would invalidate this wave 2, this 1-2 pattern. And what would happen then? We would talk about an extended wave 4. But to be honest, the way this came down here in a wave 1, I'm quite certain, and I always need to be careful what I say here, but I'm normally not like that, but I'm quite certain that we're not going to see much higher prices here for Polkadot, but a little bit higher possibly to make a higher high in the wave C. Now again, if we break above that wave E high at $11.20, things might get a little bit different, but for now it is looking corrective, and I would expect when that wave 2 is complete that we then move down here in a wave 3. We will then move up in a wave 4 in a corrective wave, probably not very steep, and then move down in a wave 5. Target, or projection for that wave down here would be somewhere between, I would say, $7 and 562. This is where I would see this overall correction to be finished, in a wave 5 of wave 5 of a wave C of wave 2. And that would then hopefully complete the correction. And if we zoom out again, that could then take us, after the recovery begins, to these price levels here in the first instance in a wave 3 to at least $87. That's nearly a 10x from here, especially if we drop a little bit lower. And yeah, this would be a wave 3. Yeah, the next wave should be a wave 3. Now what I can't tell you if it is only another wave 1 and then a 2 down, or if it will be a wave 3 to the upside. That is what the market needs to decide, and we are going to talk about it when we're getting closer to that. But for that, we first of all need to finish the correction off. Okay, important levels generally on the chart for Polkadot to be more confident that the overall correction is finished. So one thing we always want to see is the first impulsive wave up, but then also I think this level is particularly important here, the $23.90 level here, that swing high, that major swing high. Until we really get above that, and this is quite a bit of a journey to go, but until we really get above that, I think the downward pressure is still very, very high, and if we stay below that level, I wouldn't be surprised to go down once more. So this is an important level for it, and it is very close to the 50% Fibonacci retracement level as well, which is here at $24.87. Good. So that is currently my view about Polkadot. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership and maybe even the trading course I'm currently offering on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.